morning students. Today I am going to discuss about the objective type of question answers of chapter 5 standard 7 SS, and the name of the chapter is location and time. Got it? Standard 7 SS chapter 5 lecture 6 location and time. Got it? Number 1, multi-purpose choice question MCQ. Okay, number 1, which longitude is known as international date line? Which longitude is known as international date line? Options are given here: 180, 90, 120 degree या 0 degree. The correct answer is 180 degree, my dear student, and 0 degree longitude, that is called GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Got it? I have asked here international date line, that is called 180 degree longitude. Okay, got it? And longitudes are drawn from north to south. Remember. Next question: Greenwich is located in blank. Greenwich is located in blank. The options are England, India, Germany, and Nepal. Where it is located? You know better than me, my dear student. Yeah, correct. That is England. Many students have visited, na? During the hot season, you go, na? Okay, correct. So Greenwich is located in England. Okay, correct. Superb. Good answer. The biggest clock of the earth is the blank. Now remember, correct. The biggest clock of the earth is the blank. Do you know which is the biggest clock? Don't know. No problem. Here I am option giving. You just find out. Okay. Sun, moon, star, none of this. Which is the biggest clock of the earth? Correct. Sun. How? I will tell you, my dear student. Through sun, we come to know about time, morning time, noon time, even evening time also. Only night time, it's a little problem. Okay. Otherwise, if it is a daytime, easily we can find out. Okay. Even direction also we can find out. We can find out direction also if sun is there. Okay. So we can say the biggest clock of the earth is the sun. Got it? Got it now? Yeah, good. How many longitude pass? How many longitude pass through the sun, in front of the sun, in 1 hour? In 1 hour, how many longitude pass from the sun, in front of the sun? Don't know. No problem. Don't worry. Do you know? Do you know what is the distance between one longitude from another longitude? When one longitude pass from the sun and again longitude comes, how much time does it take? Yeah, correct. 4 minutes there. So if one longitude takes 4 minutes, means 15 longitude means 1 hour. We have to calculate a little bit. Okay, no problem. Yeah. How many longitude pass through the sun in 1 hour? 1 hour means 60 minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. One longitude takes 4 minutes. 15 multiplied with 4 is equal to 60. Okay. One longitude takes 4 minutes. So 15 longitude. 15 multiplied with 4, 60. Correct. Okay. So how many longitudes are there? 15 longitude in 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Got it? Yeah, correct. Good. What is the distance? Here, remember. Here I have asked about longitude. Here something difference is there. Something different. What is the distance between two latitudes? Yeah, superb. 111 kilometer. Without giving options, you are able to answer. It means you have prepared nicely. I am proud of you, my dear student. Okay. If you learn one time, surely, my dear student, it will come to you. Okay. Good. So distance between two latitude is correct, 111 kilometer. The longitude that decides the standard time of India, remember, the longitude that decides the standard time of India passes from near blank. From which city? Options are given, remember. Ahmedabad, Delhi, Dehradun. No, not from there. Then, yeah, correct. Allahabad. Got it? Okay. You are thinking where is the fourth answer, no? No problem. Okay. Just I have hide it. Okay. No problem. So from the longitude that decides the standard time of India passes from near where? Allahabad. Got it? Good. Okay. We will discuss about some fill in the blanks and true and false also. My my dear student, my next exercise is fill in the blanks. Okay. The full form of GPS is, you know better than me, my dear student. The full form of GPS means, what is that? Global Positioning System. The full form of GPS is Global Positioning System. G for global, P for position, and S for system. Got it? So what is the full form of GPS? Global Positioning System. Got it? Next, blank helps us in knowing the exact latitude and longitude of a place. What? Satellite. What is that? Satellite. Okay, satellite helps us to know the exact latitude and longitude of a place. Got it? Next, there is a illuminating star, bright star. There is a illuminating star in the north direction. There is a illuminating star in the north direction which is called blank. What is called? Correct. North star. That is called North Star. Druvno Taro. In Gujarati we say Druvno Taro na? Druvno Taro. Okay. So there is a illuminating star in the north direction which is called North Star. Druvno Taro. Okay. When time of a place is decided, when time of a place is decided on the basis of its mid-noon, माथा ऊपर सूर्य आवे, mid-noon, it is called correct local time. That is called local time, na? Local time. Got it? So when the sun comes on head, that is called 12 o'clock, and 12 o'clock the sun comes on head, noon time. Okay, got it? Next exercise, write true or false. Got it? The ideal is used to decide time. Correct? Sorry, it is not correct. It is wrong. Okay, it is wrong. Why? Ideal, not ideal. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. Okay, so the ideal means international dateline. That is different. Here I have asked the ideal is used to decide time. No, my dear student, ideal is not used for that. GMT is there, Greenwich Mean Time, not this one. Okay, so here I have written wrong. Second, Nepal follows same time as India. नेपाल એ જ સમય હોય કે જે આપણે હોય છે. Correct, yeah, same. They follow same time as we follow. Even Sri Lanka also. Yeah, even Sri Lanka also. So Nepal and Sri Lanka, they follow just like us only. Okay, they are not ahead or behind us. Same time. Okay, so Nepal follows same time as India. Correct. Okay, instead of Nepal, if I ask Sri Lanka, then also the answer comes true. Okay, got it? Both are very small countries. Okay. There are 180 longitude in total. Just think, is it correct or wrong? Yeah, correct. Okay, this sentence is not correct, it is wrong. Why? Because there are not 180, there are 360. There are 360 longitudes in total. And if I say about longitude, my dear student, there are 181 latitudes. Got it? How many latitudes are there? 181. And if we consider about longitudes, 360. Got it? Yeah, good. Next one. The ideal is zigzag. Yeah, correct. It is true. Okay, ideal is zigzag. And I said na, it never passes from any land area. It passes from water bodies. And which water? Yeah, correct. Pacific Ocean. Got it? So here I have discussed about MCQs, fill in the blanks, and true and false. Okay. Thank you.